Good morning. Today we have with us a quick tutorial on how to clean the green screens when the green screen is not very homogeneous. This quick shortcut tutorial, selecting the video with the green screen, we go to filters, add, then video and chroma key advanced. Click the color picker and we select some tone in between the darkest and the brightest that we have here. So something, let's say around here. Yeah, we got some darker still there, some brighter still there, which is what we are looking for. Then in color space, we'll use UI chroma intensity, and on this one normally I reduce 0 to 13, keep the chroma around 20, and then increase the intensity to around 40 to 50, which pretty neatly removes most of the green stuff, leaving all other colors pretty okay. You can always also work a bit with slopes and shape, but the rest typically works well. Thank you for watching to this quick tutorial.